Uniden DFR8 radar detector exposed. Budget beast or highway hype? Ever feel like every drive is a game of speed limit roulette, and you're always losing? You're cruising, minding your business, and bam! Flashing lights in your rearview. Not fun, right? You try to play it safe, but outdated radar gear, false alerts, and missed signals leave you second-guessing everything. That cheap detector you grabbed a year ago? It's now more of a beep machine than a lifesaver. You're left frustrated, distracted, and honestly, a little paranoid. Whether it's a long road trip or your daily commute, you shouldn't have to choose between getting ticketed or driving like grandma on Benadryl. You deserve a smarter ride, or at least a heads up. But let's crank the chaos up a notch, because reality hits hard. You've got deadlines, meetings, appointments, and yeah, maybe a little heavy foot. Those false alarms? They aren't just annoying, they're dangerous distractions. Meanwhile, your old radar detector can't tell the difference between a cop and a Kia's parking sensor. You're living on edge, dodging fines like it's a video game you didn't sign up for. Stress builds. Your wallet's screaming. And that tiny ping that should protect you? It's now the most unreliable voice in your car. This isn't just inconvenient, it's a full-on trust crisis with your tech. Enter the Uniden DFR8, the detector that actually does its job. This beast isn't just sleek, it's battle-ready. With super long-range detection, voice alerts, and advanced K/CAW filtering, the DFR8 ditches the false alarms and focuses on the real threats. You'll know exactly when to chill and when to cruise. The multicolor OLED display gives crystal clear signal info, and you've got VG2 undetectability to stay low-key. It even reads your vehicle's battery voltage, because who doesn't love extra flex? Whether you're driving through the city or flying down the interstate, this thing has your back like an AI-powered copilot, minus the sass. Smart, sharp, and seriously underrated, this is next-level protection. The DFR8's packed with pro-level features usually reserved for models twice the price. It's firmware upgradable, runs 360 degrees laser detection, and gives you K/CAW super wideband coverage. Plus, the setup? Easy peasy. Just press menu, tweak your settings, and you're golden. No GPS? No problem, this is built for drivers who want performance without extra fluff. Bonus, the dual suction cup mount and USB-equipped power adapter make this feel like a premium gadget. So yeah, this isn't just a radar detector, it's your new driving edge. Wanna see it in action? Stick around, hit play, and let the tech do the talking. But here's the deal, these are flying off shelves. Smart drivers are scooping up the DFR8 before it's out of stock. It's become the top non-GPS radar detector in its class for good reason. Why? Because it works. Period. It's trusted by thousands, backed by Uniden's full warranty, and built like a tech tank for the open road. Don't get stuck with another flaky detector that cries wolf every 5 seconds. Don't wait until the next ticket to upgrade. Click the link, grab your Uniden DFR8, and roll smarter, safer, and more confident. This is your moment, seize the ride and own the road.